I just got back from Florida, feeling fresh, looking a little tan, and there's nothing that I love more as spring approaches to spring clean. If you know me, there is one thing I absolutely love to do. It's move furniture and do a little spring cleaning. The first thing that I love to do when it comes to spring cleaning is one, decluttering. Look around the room in your house and find things that you no longer need and just don't fit in the space. Next, you're gonna wanna do a deep clean, whether it's you or you hire someone or it's your wife. And you wanna make sure you get in places that you normally wouldn't clean on a weekly basis. I'm talking baseboards, I'm talking windows, I'm talking dust bunnies under the couch. And finally, once everything looks and smells perfectly fresh, my favorite thing to do, let's start rearranging that furniture. Let's move the couch here, move a chair over there, possibly toss some new drapes up. That, my friends, is the fun of spring cleaning. Here's my final thought. You don't need to buy a new house to have a new feel in a new space. You can take your current situation, move some furniture around, declutter, organize, clean, and you can walk into that room with a fresh new take.